Chisule Dalton from the School of Law. So we've had a very effective electoral process as the theme states, as our theme states, that we shall hold a free, fair and participatory electoral process. Today we've elected our leaders, and I'm here to present to you the results of the guild president. We've had a very good turn-up. It has never happened in Makerere. We've had a turn-up of 10,440 voters. It has been a very free, fair and transparent election. We've had a very peaceful election. This is what we've always wished for as the students of Makerere, that we shall conduct a very peaceful election. So here are the results of that guild president. The first candidate, Alionzi Lawrence, has a total of 5,839 votes. The second candidate, Hussein Ibra, has a total of 2,079 votes. Mugisa Ronald has a total of 106 votes. Muinda Carlton has a total of 238 votes. Nalwangu Edward has a total of 37 votes. Natumanya Honest has a total of 24 votes. Namirembe Precious has a total of 359 votes. Tukamushawa Justus has a total of 1,758. I therefore declare Alionzi Lawrence
as the son of a peasant, yes, is now a guild president. Yes. What better definition? Gallant Makererians. Yes. Gallant Makererians. Yes. What better definition? Yes. For a hill of endless possibilities. Yes. Tonight, yes, I want to give you permission, yes, to once again, yes, call Makerere University, yes, the hill. Yes. I want to thank, yes, the heroes of this election. Yes. And without sounding like the new president of Kenya, yes, I first want to thank God. Yes. Gallant Makererians, yes, the true heroes of this election, yes, all of you woke up today, yes, and tried 10 times, yes, to cast your vote, yes, until it was accepted. Yes. Gallant Makererians, yes, I want to think, yes, that I have outlived them. Yes. It has ceased to be about me. Yes. It is now about you. Yes. 5,000 is not a small number. Yes. It is a statement, yes, that we have made. Yes. And that is the voice of the Makererians. Yes. And I want to thank everybody that has worked on this election, yes, to make it a success. Yes. Thank you. It's only going to be 3 months. Yes. But in 3 months, I promise, will be 90 days of action. To allow you, yes, to allow us, yes, to teach you. Yes.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.